numbers include finding discovering of the properties of the partition function. At age 15, she was a Ramanujan attending a mathematical book containing thousands of theorems which he verified and from which he developed his own idea. He died in April 26, 1990. Thank you.
Good.
Welcome sir, welcome ma'am. How I am going to introduce the 2D shape and 3D shape. The basic type of 2D shape is circle, triangle, square and rectangle. And the 3D shape are cuboid, sphere, cylinder. Thank you.
Very good morning. Okay, yes, tell me.
Welcome ma'am, welcome sir. Circle is a shape that is made up of a coordinate. It is surrounded by surrounding coordinate. This shape is equal distance from all the center points. Two diamonds have which makes a flat. Thank you.
Good, very good.
Welcome sir. Now I am going to tell about triangle. Triangle have three sides and three angles. All three angles must add up 180 degrees. Triangle can be categorized by the sides and by their angles. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Italy circle. It is a oval shape. It is an oval shape. It has no straight line and matrix. It is similar to a
Yes, good.
Welcome ma'am and sir. Now I am going to tell about a cone. A cone is a shape formed by using a set of lines. A common point called the apex or vertex to all the points of a circular base. The distance for the base is the height of the cone. Thank you.
Very good.
Welcome ma'am. Welcome sir. Now I am going to talk about rectangle. Rectangle is a type of quadrilateral that has its parallel sides equal to each other and also four vertical sides equal to 90 degrees. This is also called equally angled quadrilateral. Since the opposite sides are equal and parallel in rectangle, that both can also be termed as a parallelogram.
Good.
Welcome sir, welcome ma'am. This is my stepfather. I have done this robot. In this robot we fix different steps, carry by the different steps. Thank you sir.
Very good. Yes.
Pass the mic immediately.
Welcome ma'am. Welcome sir. My name is Krishnan. I am staying in second standard A2. I am going to tell about cylinder. The cylinder is a three-dimensional shape consisting of two parallel circular bases joined by co-circles. The circular bases overlap each other to form a right cylinder. Thank you. Welcome ma'am, welcome sir. Now I am telling about cuboid. A cuboid is also a am studying in second standard year 2. Now I am going to tell about shape of robo. Head position is in the shape of square. Next, the body parts of rectangle. Hands are done in cylinder. Legs.
Pass it.
Yes, continue.
Welcome, sir. I am Smith. Welcome, ma'am. Welcome, sir. I am going to speak here. Addition. Addition is when you put together two more numbers together to find the relevant result of adding. Welcome, ma'am. Welcome, sir. This is my addition mistake. Addition is a sign of plus. Sum of addition student. Then full 2, then full 5. Now you got 7. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Very good.
Welcome, sir. Name is Nitin. Now I shall look at addition. While addition was good to the number to find the sum, subtraction to move here. Number 2. Another number to find the difference. Thank you. The subtraction definition is taking
Take that. Keep it up. This is not working properly.
Good morning, sir. This is my finding wheel position. Let me check your results. What is the answer for 50 divided by 5 is equal to 10? Shall we check whether the answer is right? Please fill this.
Good.
Ma'am, this is stuff. Correct. Very good.
Wow, you are mad.
Max आप तो कितने ही you say
Welcome, sir. Welcome, ma'am. Next, you want
Sir, that's the
enter your PIN number. After the enter, how much you want, finally you got the money. Tell me, sir.
Some office.
Okay, no problem. Good.
You